Hello. The purpose of my defensive leadership would be to enhance my colleagues' ability to improve the achievement of students and to close the achievement gap. I'm focusing on the second grade teacher, and so the SMART goal that I have outlined is to improve the number of students meeting or exceeding the standard in base 10 related word problems by the end of the second trimester. Students will also have more opportunities for target skill practice through the use of the online tool Mathletics during the blended learning rotations. A professional learning goal that would help address the learning gap is putting an emphasis on having students interpret word problems. Teacher will have students be more strategic in their approach by highlighting key terms that will help students determine the operation needed to correctly answer the word problems. Also, teacher will administer formative assessments on a consistent basis to inform and shape instruction. A potential technology strategy is the use of Google Forms as an exit ticket. The instructor could post word problems in Google Forms and have students list key terms that help in the process of solving the problem. Students can then select which operation or operations are needed to solve the word problem. Another strategy is the use of PowerPoints or Google Slides to go over the steps of solving different mathematical equations. The presentation should be explicit and show students exactly which keywords to look for when determining which operation is used to solve associated word problems. Students with a partner can use Padlet to create their own word problems for their classmates to solve. And this falls under the CSTP 4.4 as well as 4.5. With my plan, I have collected STAR data to measure student achievement. And then with my colleague, we have established differentiated groups. And then the goal is to, with the blended learning, obviously, we're going to be using that time during small group math rotations to target the necessary skill for the students to achieve. And definitely because we are a blended learning school, and this is the teacher's first year here, I want to give her strategies on how to more effectively use the technology, especially with Mathletics. You have an opportunity because it's not adaptable, it is assignable. But students can also go on there free for all. So I want to have her be more strategic in assigning different, standards-based assignments through Mathletics so that we're targeting exactly what the students need to be achieving. So, and I think I'll be able to see the growth based on their scores on Mathletics. And I definitely want to see, the trajectory go up with that. Another way to collect evidence, I guess, would be through the formative assessments of exit tickets, but I also mentioned the Google Forms that I think would be a good tool as far as using technology with this teacher. Also using the STAR test results, and then the independent practice data will show a lot of information in regards to that. I'm also able to collect the Mathletics data, as I said before. So far, my colleague has been on board, has had a rough start, so we're taking a little slow. And we're definitely, because I know that in the plan I have several, technology tools for her to eventually use. But I definitely want to do one thing at a time. So we're focusing right now definitely on the Mathletics portion. And from there, then we'll add on to the strategies that are outlined in the plan. All right. Thank you.